Yeah, bae, yeah, go very well. No, one man, when you worry, we are all good. You get help. He said, may I forget that thing, which mama. He said, when we in Nigeria, we all better pass we mama de Europe. He said, which mama? He said, I beg you no one go deep, make I forget that matter. I wait till my friend tell me.
Thank you, Pastor Grace. Now, some people are they see a comment section, they talk say, now you're the sweet pass. Man, nothing sweet. For inside this matter, because it not come from my mouth. This is where I no one may talk since then.
The way Sharon
this matter just start to.
The way Sharon tell us for this Europe, who madam carry come also like that.
Right on.
No country for this Europe where Sharon not for do it. No country. No country. No country. They want Sharon tell no book. That girl if you barrel. That girl if you barrel. The way Sharon tell no book, that girl supposed their office.
Okay.
Italy. Now Italy, she know even sabi speak. You carry pikin come. You carry pikin come. You don't give her document show where you don't give her better education. Nothing. Why you don't leave her for Nigeria?
Wanna share this video for me?
Why you don't leave her for Nigeria? Bayo say they don't put money for my eye. They get. I'm not supposed to talk so guys things. Okay, Sharon, we mama carry come. The way that girl tell also. Who madam carry come pay 50,000. That madam, that girl not also like that. The way Sharon, we mama carry come tell also. Waiting, more the touch truth. I know what tough is there. In Sharon day office cannot be bad thing. Sharon education, the way she take no book. Suppose say day office, the rights. Day office get card the rights. That life na it fit Sharon. That life.
Why you know what that shower part?
Now that life na it fit her.
Tell me why you know what that shower part?
Now that life na it fit her. That get two ghosts.
Hey, we can't go where. Hey, Sharon, I make a normal run the TC.
We mama carry cause they run things like say na madam.
Because of your man, rest of men.
If come and join with mama where?
Sharon comprende here for Germany.
How many years for Italy? Sharon cannot even speak
Italy. Italy.
Sharon cannot even speak Italy.
Wanna see something on that
Sharon
video?
cannot even speak Italy.
That video you sent me yesterday.
Waiting.
Video you sent me no there. Sharon comprende.
That call that the thing I lie. He was true. Sharon was in Bremen.
The evidence don't come and say, hey, Sharon left Bremen or left Germany.
Yeah.
Wow. See Sharon here for Johnny.
Bremen.
This is Bremen. The man out the bar. And they tell us today say, I get a lot of not be Mama Sharon.
I know I play the voice record.
Not be Mama Sharon. No. A Festina. But I'm a Festina with the name Festina. That one they call his service what? It they know me. I they call for that one. I never you get that one time. Only. The only sincere people I see around Sharon was Classic Gloria.
Is your birthday. And this was another person with you.
Osamede.
Not to say with Osamede. Other people who don't know.
Are they gallant?
God will bless you.
You see these people when I mention their names so they are friends where you feel if you get them as friends, you are covered. Easy played the role of a mother to Sharon when she gave birth to her first child. And they come for that one where they say your husband didn't die. They know they come for that part.
Oh God.
It was didn't part. And you not see any man like that go on. It's because if I talk, they'll change that from my hand. I was waiting for the right time to speak. As fast as I made them, I do this video. So everything when me can talk, no can count. Because why? No in Italy or Gwen. But the information when we get about Sharon, I'm not sure say you some made this so when you can talk, you get her. But I look up. Is your moral ye? Classic Gloria? Are they gallant? And this was Amede. They are true friends to Sharon Bami.
Mostly easy. Easy is not just a friend, it's a elder plus.
Easy played a role of a sister to Sharon and a mother. Easy played the role of a grandmother to Sharon children. When he be say, in mama, he did there.
Ade, shall be keep your mouth shut. Ogun dey kill your mama.
Ade.
Na you know na me mama.
Ade.
You dey mad?
Ade.
You dey crazy?
What do they that war?
Stay with this girl. No labor. When Sharon labor.
Ade.
You want me to labor in veil like that? You dey mad? When I'm not like business, when I'm carrying a business.
Ade.
You
want him to go allow with
that? You know the way that girl labor. You know the way he stress.
Wagi Sharon.
You know the way he stress.
For Germany, yeah.
You see, body dey pay una.
1 month, or you got yeah.
You see, body dey pay una. I want for sabi.
Okay, la.
You know how she stress. When she have more than in Europe.
Oh.
Leave my career, come.
When you about to play,
if I see you, I for bet all of una.
Go back there.
I got punish up.
Bet here,
it's okay.
Bet here.
You know that get stressed off her life.
Wow, wow,
when she have a mother don't even hold. The mother is a young woman. 2 children not even 4. What are you saying? You should be rest. Keep your mouth shut. Bow agbo.
Oh, Lareo.
You don't even start her for laughing. You don't know what that means?
Yes, Sharon.
Because you're not talking to her? Is it because you are not talking to her?
Yes, Sharon. Mama.
You don't talk to her again?
Mama 2 cents.
Leave me Sharon here Gugwan.
Mama 2.
Don't try that process again.
Mama 2 cents.
Mama not arrest. Shut your mouth. Go boy.
Iye tí ó gunwe mama.
Man, no person.
When I say ni na tí ó gunwe because ya ye zi egbe ne. We, yes Sharon, iye tí ó gunwe. But a 50 cents ni po logbenwe. So you are mama 2 cents. Kadoni yine. You have a daughter, only daughter. Umameti mudiano ruwe. Umameti mudiani. Erine ge na do tana. Oginawe or maginawe. Oginawe. Yes, Oginawe. Erine si eni general yo. O ebe deni ni Sharon. But mama 2 cents. Eyin ga ti we. Because you do not have a feeling of a mother in you. Whatever the feeling of a mother, if you not allow that girl to go and be taking care of herself, you don't need to that be. If you not allow her. Now blood enter her head. This girl, they come out before she finally there. Una ya kissed her.
At least that pick is supposed to collect her for her first, even if you not go.
Yes, Sharon.
Say for example, you don't want to go take off a girl, you collect the picking for her first.
Yes, Sharon.
First.
As they go and come out here, before Samede come out to do this video, the rest of her friends know.
Then no. You know how we don't receive since. No what
before this girl get this confidence to come and say I take do this video. It is a unanimous decision where they make for inside. I say Lajanu Yaka. No need na ya demirokpa. Now, talking about Sharon go carry belle from Nigeria. I never want to go that area now. Because why? Because of Sharon. Maybe if they don't put Sharon for ground, maybe I'll visit that area again. Yes. But you will be single girl. Where you there for Europe here? Where you get her for confidence, say you need boys for Europe. Oh.
Where's your bring the children come for me now?
Boys for this Europe. Boys for Italy. Some people never even know woman. Some people never even sleep with woman for like 2 years now. Continue. Boys for this Europe. But some women go come out. Go Nigeria. Go carry belle. Come born out from Europe. You know why I don't want to talk? Because Sharon is dead now. If I had talk about that one, it go be like say I blame Sharon. And I don't want to blame the dead. Man, blame me. But I'm using this medium to advise you where still their life. Where you be young girl. Where they always they select. Say, the Nigeria people they love pass. Because everybody is asking, where was our mother? Where was our mother? Where was our mother? Our mother is 75% wrong. Her husband not in Europe. If her husband in Europe, maybe her Sharon 4. Or when they start getting young,
I see the back go hold the second pikin.
he go hold the second pikin. He go see person when in and go dey talk. Wetin happen for Sharon so no go happen to am. This one is one of the advantage where they make you as a woman. You need to get married for Europe. You need to get married for Europe. Yeah.
All those are duro camp stress. You not go pass.
So go carry belle for Africa, come born for Europe. Without say that man not dey there. If you where they look me so they do that kind of thing to stop it.
You not tell me.
Not be better thing. Don't allow anybody to adverse you. Me go carry belle from Africa, me come born for Europe. Not be style. It's not style. I only always style. Not be style. Not be funny. Imagine Yaya describe it, but it is
so no some boys
bad.
They not give woman for Jamie Belle about
the
woman.
Person where they Germany, person where they Europe to Europe. It dead different for person where go carry belle for Africa.
You go to see the man, I get ticket.
You go to see the man, get ticket is not an option.
You go to see the man.
You go to see ticket, you get ticket is not an option.
Who they Jamie?
All the suffer where Sharon suffer before she died. So the man not follow her suffer her.
Italy, yeah, no, they abandon the mama for France for Jamie. 3-4 years, they not go see their Peking. Sharon, they Nigeria.
Dame.
You go to see him.
Dame. I not use it to compare bad thing. If you get belly, I know they assist you. Let me see back there today now. Don't not be assist.
Move.
No, wait first now. If they blame the mama, we go they blame the baby father. And the baby father please go fall out.
Or the newborn baby, I want carry one inside. Make them bring her for me. I will carry. I promise. If I feel do that for my friend, I promise. If they can release one of the child for me, I will carry. I promise. I will take care of him, her like my daughter. In fact, she's my baby.
Woman.
Yamu.
Wait, carry belle. Woman. Wait, carry belle. Answer me. Ona ama. Imaga assist you where?
They assist.
When you born, you can say honey, God give me food for hospital. Not be say you get husband, you dey command me say me I can't give food for hospital. If I dead Nigeria, you tell me I come from Nigeria, give food for hospital.
Na lock on even they Italy self, so about their baby mama.
Best way they abandon. No, say they abandon her.
Na lock.
Now something still make the man and the woman break up, come become abandon. But not be say you go purposely go Africa, go carry belle, they go like this, they call Europe. When be say man will give you belle, they enjoy for Africa. They don't even know the Europe system. Maybe Sharon go want talk to Rana. The man go dey shout for phone say, you don't know say I dey on call. I will call you later because you know Omeria will be there. You as a single girl, you dey watch me so. You're thinking that to go carry belle for Nigeria. What? Babola Wegbe, you don't get sense. Now, on our way their life, I can't talk to. I don't want to put the blame on Sharon. How I wish she's alive. How I wish she wake up. Now they talk me she dey hear. For clear.
Oh, Sharon. Sharon, see, they never ban me. You
can find love anywhere.
Sharon, wake up.
Not in Nigeria. And you are in Europe.
Sharon, wake up. Sharon, wake up.
Una too know that thing. I don't know whether na style. Whether na they use on the form. I don't know. Una yo poor. Go give to person for Africa.
Say how Sharon take on Europe.
Iye ọmọ ẹ̀ làwébò.
There's some more way mama carry and pay here.
Iye ọmọ ẹ̀ làwébò.
For egbo bi okan yan 8 years more. Sharon call me or is he
if una dey ask where Sharon mama, no una dey ask where Sharon baby father.
Sharon go camp. After say he do something, he owe money before. Sharon no.
I been a man and married man.
Sharon no go camp.
That one na wetin I no fit tell una now.
Sharon go chop aduru when I dey Jamie.
If na married man or not be married man, I can't go that deep right now. Now this is mama own. Now make me come out. Mama 2 cents.
Only say me I play one audio. Say now pride like by Sharon.
Go make play with you. Or permit you are. Okay, no any on share with person permit you.
You said the person they call you that day, you know.
Yeah, you can see because we have a lot of things we want. And not any. You can see any. Now.
No, you are right. Take me.
Huh?
Hello, Mama.
Faster.
Come, Mama. Yes, Mama. Yeah. You're not money betrayed the way. If all Johnny is only going, yeah, take me here. Tori live video. And who's only going no day? Yeah, take me here. The audio. Quand tu sais de te faire, on va m'écouter.
Mama Kinebo. I dey come answer that one.
Okay, can we have go now send them? We are take me. Okay. Case of next time where the way we send them go now we are me or say no, me ya we. Okay,
now we record there.
Okay, Mama, we see.
Okay.
Now, Adamio, Mommy Kinebo, you say she not abandon them for Nigeria. When he get every reasons to abandon them for Nigeria. Yes, he not abandon them for Nigeria. Bringing a child to Europe not be the problem. But making sure, Mommy Kinebo, you are a living witness of a responsible mother. When you are a co-better, get saga. You not do saga for house.
Because of children.
Mama Kinebo connect. I don't want to other way, man. When you get saga with a co-better, you have a very beautiful house. But you did not do saga in your house. Why did you not do that saga in your house? Because you wanted to respect your children. That is why you did not do it in your house. But if not some people, they go do it for their house, they go take something a normal thing. Abiene bogo nari logo iya labero aramomo wa iraye. You brought a child to Europe when they were young. It's not a more reason why you should allow that child to be like that.
That's it.
And you see life?
Because I respect my children as I respect. Okay, you have said it all, Mommy. Mommy have said you are outside.
So, in this case of Mommy Sharon, if this woman give Sharon a best education when they're small, this girl for not go different countries, go look for money. Just like other girls will suffer. Come enter Europe, come they look for the same money. For Sharon to go France, Switzerland, Portugal, mini iye wa mwese we bodo na egwe ba ya yi wan. Because where?
Sharon, I wish you can just surprise everybody.
Sharon now. Why still go Nigeria go look for man? Iye ma se no ti Sharon total or avese we. Why ya gwa look ya babuwa if they dey good things. Iye ma se no toni. So true love not dey Europe. As this Europe big rich. Germany, Switzerland, Italy, Denmark. A love you give every rockba. And I wait not the ticket in Nigeria again. In Nigeria love you. If they dey in good terms, a mother would have sit her down and say, oh, me, imagine where a mother. But okay, Nigeria now. Because it is the truth. Now, Sharon is no more. Now, iye. Now that one now with Nigeria now. One country the year say, woman when you give belly don't die. I will say, yeah.
The feel is not go high. Anyway, for find love before, but I understand your point.
Let's assume now, say, Sharon mother, not the Europe. Meaning these children now automatically become Italian government own.
God forbid. But where are they? Such they not give me. God forbid.
Before they will give you,
God forbid.
you'll pass through process now.
God forbid.
You know that.
My picking friend not go pass government. My friend children not go.
That one way use where slice the way I put for fridge for
fast.
That
was different. Not be when people when lock Sharon there around.
But not you know if it go now, go tell them they give you now. Just like that. You must pass through process for them to give you those children.
Mama did there.
In mama way not fit take care of your biological daughter.
I say my mama go choose for her. So at this point, my mama need to choose because mama get passport already. No, God forbid. I say maybe no pay government. So God forbid. God forbid.
That is the truth.
So
if you people are telling me say Sharon do well for she to go Africa go look for husband, I will tell you that is a total rubbish. Is a total rubbish for you to leave Europe and go to Africa. Yes. Mother na mother. Mama, uma play role you say as a mother. If you play your role well as a mother, Sharon from now they run. They go left, right, center. They come blame me. Sharon was passing through stress. I never talk. Sharon not the shop Facebook money. Sharon was passing through stress. When you get mother for Italy, you don't spend years for that Italy before you bring your children. Come. Your pikin go come for your very eyes with pregnancy heavily. Say they go Germany. No matter what, mother na mother. Everybody can run away from you, but your mother cannot run away from you. If my mother was not nice to me in Africa, I go for still the verse for her, but if she still need my help, I go still do it for her. Again, no ya mume yekuni iwe minine. You are supposed to play the role of a mother and a grandmother to your daughter and your grandchildren. Even when your daughter was in coma. Na ya kisto. Ye Sharon. Digo nu igwa lohian. The story where they come from Radio Emilia since yesterday, not to your clear at all. Ima only tier bonwe. The only thing I can do to you now is to reduce your name from Mama 50 cents to Mama 2 cents. That is all I can do to you now. Mandi do rovio. Imau do rovio. Because when the matter na ya raw, as in the things I don't hear about you. Then you Sharon, ya is a boy, ya is a saga way. Who do we agmeva mi wagmo?
I wanna save the same hard for the door, but not get store. If they open and if he close and say no open today, or you know open today.
That audio.
That's the same.
Yes, Sharon, do me damn yo. Come see the suffer where your daughter suffer for Germany because of shame. Oh, you're yakba. Italy. Okay, you say you don't connect her from here, you need baby speaker. You are making now.
Oh God. With the birth certificate, I go tell Jama say mama with proof and everything. They go give me that pikin. Okay, but now I'm your doctor and all. When they breed the momo come for me. Oh momo, with the birth certificate and all. He dey prove against me. He work out. Ije Biona Wu. I can handle it. Any amugu ni ala wo lao. Any amugu.
Ije ragboni am yen gumo we sharongwe.
When ya amugu we was here.
Family o ma hu.
Even if.
Oh, ije ragbon.
Even if.
When you the year can show a love to that Sharona. Let her continue to show that love now to the grandchildren.
That's to take care of children. You no get experience. You no get experience again. A man no get no fear and those live there. We pikin ko dey run up and they touch everything. A man no fear and do run.
Ina hu mi nai.
Mama no fear and do all those things again. Mama no get the idea again.
Oh, you know what toge yan ti mu na. Yan go mu no What you know relate to them. You wa gege mo no in the apple like that.
Me no.
It's not possible. You wa gege mo no.
I not say the two one. No dey
It's
give
not
me the baby.
for Europe.
Is it possible?
I did the talk.
Ije Wu and I.
Ije Wu.
Mama me.
Oti okin.
Mama me.
Family okin. Ever tell me Jenny I hear river.
Mama me.
No, Italian. Even if say if mama say not the car itself, is it not there? Patience is it not there? Yeah, Google mama go.
You carry one.
God forbid. Tell me away.
For his accusation, everything. Don't listen. That girl na pride and kill her. So if you really there, because me I never go. Pride, that kill Sharon. Okay, this girl they pass through a lot for Italy. So you get. You can't get somebody now you can tell and say, okay, you can't get me some of you. Mama won't see me. This woman can't get me. Call this city where they so Bremen. He don't do father shaft. He don't do everything. He don't do everything. He say can't put a poster and go the camp too far. All those kind of things. All in the name of say make people not see am. Say as this girl dey reach for social media, go come Jamie, come do Aduro, come do all those father this thing they do. So you get. I see her, I come tell her, say, Mama, I first see her one day they come for work. Now they are the area, I come they go because I know her for Italy. The next 4 days, I come see her for a side issue. I come tell her, say, Mama, where they go? He say, don't want to go back.
Oh.
For his accusation, everything. Don't listen. That girl na pride and kill her. So if you really there, because me I never go. Pride and kill Sharon. Okay, this girl they pass through a lot for Italy. So you get. You can't get somebody now you can tell and say, okay, me can't get me some of you. Mama won't see here. This woman can't get me. Call this city where they so Bremen. He don't do father shaft. He don't do everything. He don't do everything. He say can't put a poster and go the camp too far. All those kind of things. All in the name of say make people not see am. Say as this girl dey reach for social media, go come Jamie, come do Aduro, come do all those father this thing they do. So you get. I see her, I come tell her, say, Mama, I first see her one day, they come for work. Now they are the area, I come they go because I know her for Italy. The next 4 days, I come see her for a side issue. I come tell her, say, Mama, where they go? He say, don't want to go back.
As a big
come back, but he don't do all this father shaft and everything, but the Jamie too stressed, blah blah blah, you want to go. The city where they carry and go to the village.
You know where she go Germany when she get passport.
She don't get passport now 00 she get.
Yeah, just 00 Italy.
As they say, be fisted here.
Qatar.
00 me passport.
Place too far. You know if you go there, she get. Now so this girl they really enter train for Bremen Banner for my present. I help her carry 2 bags. He carry with the daughter. He get the leg. The chat with me and a chat. When give me WhatsApp number. say anytime he come back again, he will call me more for signature. He can't give me WhatsApp number. I can't write down that evening. Ah, mama, you don't reach out. He say yes. You don't reach out. I feel send that screenshot and send that for you, sir. If WhatsApp number, everything. She get. So when you go Italy, they never reach how many weeks. Now it take born, when they get complication. When we say that Jamie now as he born, before he will born, if you go check up that complication, they will send for your body, they will regulate everything for him. So you get now because of pride, you don't want to make people see him. Say his friends and that son may not come back again, say he's stressed too much.
Jesus.
I think send you video when I see her for banner of a video. I get my phone here. Salah.
Bro, you say you should say not true the talk.
Wait. Hello.
Another year.
We don't need to shop at Duro. They go, run on the person. See Pamela come. See, you don't need to shop at Duro. Now, what I see talk since Sharon, don't you? I know after this one. Go they talk. They are popular to wrong people. Sharon don't need to shop at Duro. Get the way go take pass her. You don't need to shop at Duro. Not only when she adopt go born. Now because of the last baby, the first baby, to me sister for 6 days, then we go say okay, go spend 1 week for camp. That man don't go. Sharon don't need to go camp. To no ask questions, because they ask wrong people. They do will not see come me. For another thing go call me. For this kind of thing, no say I did Jamie. He never talk to me once we go here for her. She no call me. May I put her through. See how you take person. No need to go and do raw ass. When be say you do level. You bear blood, you with your own money, you do for that. Shadow no need to witness Aduro ass. People they will do that, they not go Aduro ass. May your way, no your way not because. Don't go use pride.
Now,
no one made they laugh me, no one made they laugh me.
Sometimes in this life,
bring me in a good city before, okay?
maybe they try, maybe they keep our pride to ourselves. It dey help for some kind of place. Person where they laugh,
No need camp.
it better pass person where they cry. Oh, I wish Sharon will not go back to Italy. Maybe she for not die. Maybe she for not die. I don't say they know they die for Germany, but maybe she for not die. But now, every channel now is to the mother alone. No. Where is the baby father of Sharon? Akewani Yagwalere. Because if you say, man, we really look this thing are from family matter, family, just they come. But she can't get good friends around her.
Social media don't let people open up again. No, you get things would Sharon know me now. You know me.
Not be only mama.
Sharon no.
Not be we go say where is her mother. But the one we are not like about her mother. Now, your pikin dey coma.
You with this social media not go camp. People still know me. Still not get woman. Still not get woman. Why I not say I know after many years for Italy. How many years for Italy? I say I know go people to know me. I see go camp. Not be camp I for born my pikin. Beg you.
As I come day now, Jenny go yoko tell me say, may I go stay camp for 3 months or give me Jama passport. Me o cut say because I be popular person, I don't want to go camp. You going to camp is not forever. It's for just a period of time. It's a period of time. But now, everybody.
Usually talk as last say the same you go camp, you go.
Yes, I'll go camp if you see me for camp. Video me. Go give my enemy. Say, you know, give Wamiyo camping. You see me for camp, eh?
Start for camp.
Samede, you don't blame me, mama. May we can't blame me husband or the baby papa. Because the story when we hear from that area, Imagine only way do you know when retire.
Baby Papa Simon, no, you told that side.
Because this story where you can't talk to those Amede, if there is anybody where go talk this to me or Tita, me or Tita, but in a question, because where unuya with social media now.
Your matter the lad pass.
Me ataba I when I know the mother for year. So that baby Papa on okay can I do tie. Because the truth is that any woman will go carry belle come from Nigeria to Europe, you are just praying for you to suffer for the rest of your life. You are just praying for you to continue to suffer. That will not be planned. You are not planning.
Break everybody's heart.
You are not planning for future. You are planning for the future of only yourself and how to suffer.
How they take this thing why they drink? Like you teach me cucumber why they drink with ginger. Sharon they take care of herself. Like you teach me that cucumber why
You don't just say because you are pregnant. Okay, when you are pregnant in Anya, who they give you that orientation? Say, I am working Nigeria do abere webo. Husband and wife wey still dey Europe. You believe say if na Europe this is baby Papa dey now. If you never reach your family, this is yesterday. Even if you not get document, even if you not get document, he go look for how he go take maneuver enter.
The baby chase and say, Papa, the baby,
Now, Papa de Africa, una call me what even? Papa de Africa, they say mama no dey play role well. Only one time now, where Patience Easy take go enjoy himself for Portugal. Now this thing happen now. Meaning Patience Easy have been with this girl from onset.
Play mothering role for a body.
Holiday, here the Patience Easy win here Yori. On a yasu now. Hello. Hello. Okay. Oh madam.
No, lot of they tell Noge say no. They say a lot of women carry belle come Canada come born. Now they tell her not matter before because she dey go as Italy and Germany. Italy and Germany. A lot of men they give their woman belle 3 years because they never see their pikin. They never see their pikin for good 3 years now. But Sharon, if first pikin carry and go as now Nigeria for do 1 year birthday. And Nigeria for do 1 year. Me not look that one before. Cause anyway for see love.
Okay, baby father no roll.